Are you looking for a video showing you how to create a really heartfelt and personalized gift for a loved one? Well, I'm sorry to say this is not going to be that video. Hey guys, it's Sarah with Hearth Home Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my 2018 best-selling items using Carbide Create and your Shapeoko from Carbide 3D. Let's get started. Whenever people tell me that they're waiting to buy a CNC until they can afford the machine and the upgraded software, I always tell them not to let the software aspect stop them. Software is only as good as you use it to be. I've been able to make an item that I sell out of every week at the farmers markets that I attend using a free program that came from Carbide 3D called Carbide Create. As you can see, I start with a rectangle and customize it to the size that I'm liking for the project. I then choose which border that I like the best. I'm actually partial to using flipped fillet for this design. Carbide Create's newest version, V4 Beta, was recently released, and I have to tell you guys that I am extremely excited about this. Carbide Create now offers text scaling, along with increased simulation resolution, unsaved file warnings, and many more features. If you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend taking a look. Insert and customize your text placement, font, and size. I prefer left side alignment for this piece. Always make sure to double check the stock thickness of your material and make sure you accurately recorded that in the stock thickness portion of your job setup before creating any job toolpaths. I used 2 of Carbide 3D's router bits for these signs. Bit number 102 was for the lettering, and then bit number 201 was for the cutout. Set your max depth on the pocket function for your letters. I use 1/10 of an inch since I'm only using 1/2 inch material. I mention this since unfortunately I've been one of those people to forget to adjust the depth of the cut and punched right through my material and broke my bit in the process. Don't forget to add the tabs to your piece while you're programming your cutout. I use 4 for added stability. I always double check the simulation to see if there are any gaps in the piece. If so, double check the toolpath highlight to make sure the bit you selected can actually fit into the workspace that you created. I use my Shapeoko touch probe when loading a new job and a bit change. That way you're starting with the same job 0 for your X, Y, and Z axis. After the piece is cut out, I sand down the tabs to create smooth sides. I always run the air compressor over pieces after sanding them, but before applying a finish. That way, it removes any sawdust from the wood grain. After finishing the back and the sides, I always elevate the pieces on scrap wood. That way, I don't create a buildup of polyurethane on the bottom half of the face. And just like that, we made one of my ultimate best-selling items using Carbide Create and my Shapeoko from Carbide 3D. This is a piece that I sell out of at every market that I attend, and one that I've had customers come to me time and time again to tell me that it was the hit of every gift exchange they brought it to. That's all I have for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.